Good morning, class. We have already completed our second chapter. Today we'll do the exercise. Multiple choice questions और choose the correct option from the following. इनमें से जो 4 ऑप्शन है you choose the correct one. जो सही है उसे हमें चूज करना है. Question number 1. Who among the following had calculated the circumference of the earth? इनमें से ऐसा कौन है जो अर्थ के परिधि को गणना किए थे? The correct answer is Eratosthenes. Question number 2. The northern point of the earth axis is called, and the correct answer is north pole, because the earth axis is always rotates, ये हमेशा घूमते रहता है, and it has 2 points, 2 extreme points, that is known as the pole. And from the earth axis the north side is known as the north pole and the south side is known as the south pole. So here is the correct answer is north pole. Question number 3. It lies to the north of the equator. That means from equator to north pole, that is known as northern hemisphere. So the correct answer is northern hemisphere. Question number 4. Which of the following statement regarding longitudes is wrong? इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा स्टेटमेंट्स है जो वो wrong है, मीन्स गलत है, related to our longitudes. There are 180 degree longitudes. It's wrong because it has 360 degree longitudes. B is these are imaginary lines. It's true. All the longitudes are the imaginary lines. C. These are semicircles. It is also correct. The prime meridian is a longitudes. It is also correct. So here is from above these statements, this statement is wrong. There are 180 degree longitudes. So the correct answer is A. Which of the following is shown in the given pictures? ये पिक्चर्स में आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? कॉन्टिनेंट्स, ओशियंस, ग्रिड, मॉन्यूमेंट्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ग्रिड, बिकॉज इन दिस पिक्चर्स we see all the parallels of latitudes and the meridians of longitudes which intersect with each other, that is known as the grid. So the correct answer is grid. Very short question answer. Question number A. What do you know about north and the south pole? आप नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल के बारे में क्या जानते हो? The top point of the globe is called as the north pole and the bottom point of the globe is called the south pole. That means globe के ऊपर में जो point है उसको हम लोग north pole बोलते हैं and globe के जो नीचे में जो है the bottom point उसको हम लोग south pole बोलते हैं. What is equator? Equator क्या है? Equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into 2 equal parts, that is north pole and south pole. Question number 3. What do you know about the prime meridian? Prime meridian क्या है? This is our prime meridian. The prime meridian is an imaginary line which divides the earth into 2 hemispheres, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, and it is numbered as 0 degree. Question number 4, through which place the prime meridian passes? प्राइम मेरिडियन कौन से प्लेस को क्रॉस करता है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज द प्राइम मेरिडियन passes through Greenwich. It's a city which is near London. Question number 5. How many latitudes are drawn on the globe? In our globe, there are total how many latitudes? The correct answer is on the globe there are 181 degree latitudes. Next is question number E. Unscramble the following letters. That means आपको इस वर्ड को सजा के लिखना है. फर्स्ट इज इक्वेटर, सेकेंड इज पोल, थर्ड इज ग्रिड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, question number F, fill in the blanks. The parallels are running from dash to dash. That means parallels of latitudes running from east to west. Question number 2, meridians are running from north pole to south pole. Question number 3, there are dash meridians on the east of the prime meridian. As we know that the there are 360 degree meridians of longitudes, and the prime meridian divide the earth into two hemispheres, that is eastern and western. So there are how many meridians on the east of the prime meridian? In the east of the prime meridian there are 180 degree longitudes. Question number 4, the tropic of Cancer in the dash hemisphere. The tropic of Cancer that is in our northern hemisphere. Question number 5, the prime meridian passes through dash. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich. Question number G, name the following. The longest parallel, that is our equator. Meridian marked as 0 degree, prime meridian. The parallels marked on the following diagram. That means diagram has given and the number has given. We write the important parallels. 90 degree north, that is known as north pole. 90 degree south, that is south pole. 60 degree and half degree north, that is Arctic circle. Then 60 degree and half degree south, that is Antarctic circle. 23 and half degree north, that is Tropic of Cancer. And 23 and half degree south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. And the last one is 0 degree both north and south, that is known as our equator, which is our largest parallel of latitudes. Okay students, this is all about the exercise question answer of chapter 2, and now I am sending the question answer of this chapter. All the objective question answer means question number A, question number E, question number F and question number G do in your book, and question number B, question number C and question number D write in your SST notebook. Okay students, got it? And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.